Hello and hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic we are going to discuss banking. The learning sequence bank and banking are recurring or cumulative deposit accounts. Let us know what is a bank and banking. Banking is the business of lending, receiving and safeguarding of our money. A bank is an institution which carries on the business of deposit and lending of money. In generally, people who have some spare money do not keep it with them to avoid the risk of losing it by the thief, etc. They deposit the spare money in a bank. In the bank, the money is safe as well as it fetches interest on it. In the other hand, some people need money to start a business or to expand their business. So, they borrow the money from the bank at a nominal interest on it. The rate of interest charged by the bank from its borrowers, it is usually higher than what it pays to the depositor. Some of the main functions of the bank we are going to discuss now. The first one, receiving money for deposit and paying interest on them. Receiving money from depositors. Different banks have different types of scheme to attract people who keep their money in the bank of their choice or the bank which gives them maximum returns of their deposit. And the second one, lending money to the borrowers and receiving interest on it. Of course, bank take deposit money at a lower rate of interest and lend it at a higher rate. But they also perform certain other functions for the benefits of the needy. For example, they give loans at concessional rate to small farmers, petty shopkeepers, educated unemployed person to start business, handicapped person, widows, etc. to help them earn their livelihood, etc. And the third one, providing other useful services to society. Nowadays, a maximum number of a salaried person get their salaries through banks. Banks help in transforming money from one place to another place. Sanctions of various loans such as home loan, agricultural loan, business loan, educational loan, etc. Renting safe deposit lockers. Bank provide lockers for the safe custody of valuables. Receiving payments for public utility service such as electricity bill, telephone bill, insurance bills, tuition fee bill for the children, etc. Government loan installments, selection of taxes such as income tax, sales tax, house tax, etc. Bank providing traveler checks and exchange of foreign currency. To benefit tourists and travelers, ATM card, debit card, credit card, etc. are some other facilities provided by bank which are highly beneficial to the public. Bank provides buying and selling security bonds.